You alright?
Perfect timing. You know, say, come make a gas step for me.
Oh, you want me to make some tea for you?
That would do
Alright,
good.
let me make some tea for you.
Thanks.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your
Oh, so fast that tea I make, man. You hot though? Oh,
Yeah, hot. Be careful. You good?
Yeah, man, I'm good.
Don't burn yourself. I tell you you're hot. Don't
Boy.
make your face look so.
Tea hot.
Take your time.
All right.
No, man, you have to drink some more.
You never do love them tea, Pete.
Take it easy.
Yeah, man. Babe, I don't know what I'm going to do in the garden, you know. Because anything, you rub my back and all them something there. Look at me, sit down, you lie down, and as me build, so you did it. You know what I mean? Because you want to know something alright. I'm going to miss you, but I understand, say, this is the way I do. I feel all the way, right?
Yeah, man.
You sure?
Yeah, man.
Are you not go here and go find a man, right?
No, man. That
You sure?
No, man.
Well-
You have to focus, you know. Focus. Remember, it's the way I do this for us, for betterment. So, now no time for them, there's something there.
Alright. I trust
You
you,
have
know.
to try.
I trust you, man. I trust you. Know yourself. You see, because we click. Great minds think alike. You know what I mean? But me thank you for the tea. You know what I mean?
You want anything else?
No, man. Just I'll get some.
Alright, get some rest. And we check in back, and so just let me know if you need anything.
No problem.
Alright?
I'll tell you, man. Alright. So I'm going to stretch out my foot and relax a little bit here.
Alright.
Alright, later on.
Alright, call me when out on the veranda, yeah.
Alright. Later.
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh,
I got me saying I swear.
Me too. You know, over the years we have our ups and downs, our fight, but see, God bless us and we get the opportunity to go away. So I go, set myself up and make things right for the two of you. And as soon as we get situated and set up, I go take care of you and take care of my niece and see if we can get to know there and get to know situated.
Sherland. Wait, let me time me here, because it's going on my face. I don't want you to build up my hopes, you know. You have some family, me never say you, because I come from far away. Same mother, same father. I don't want when you reach a foreign, you forgot about me. I remember saying me have your niece, my daughter, and his father. Nah, give me nothing, you know. A whole heap of place me and you go watch people dirty clothes and see it if it's true. As what you say, God help we. And I hope you don't come build up my hopes, you know, make me a depend upon you, you know, when I don't have you, know, because I remember say Leila little, and I the only niece you have, and me your only sister. We are come from far, so don't forget about it.
No, man, we not forget about you, no, man. You see, like we say, God give us a breakthrough, and me I go and do everything in my power to help. But at the same time, you have to be patient because, you know, at the first me I go and me here say, and I really better rose, but me have to get myself situated first. And as soon as me get myself situated, me not forget no man. Me I go help the two of you.
I understand.
You know, so just be patient. If you know when me go, you know, hear from me right away, and I forget you or anything. You know, me I try to sort myself out.
And me, I first person you have to call.
Yeah, man, me I go do that, man. Me I go do that.
Okay.
Me I go do that. But like me
Alright.
say, me know how you can get impatient. So if you know hear from me and no nothing, just be patient. As soon as me get situated, me will call.
You know, so when me hungry, me we get
Me
impatient.
know, but just be patient. You know, like me said, this is the breakthrough we get. Me not forget about you, man.
You know, so I'm glad you come spend Christmas with me.
Me too.
At the happiest time of my life. I wouldn't mind the day here for New Year. Sherlan, I you send money for me. So I can buy enough nice things. No mind her one nosy neighbor me have. Enough nice things for your niece. You hear?
Yeah, man, me have
Yeah.
to make she deck out. You know, see how she pretty. I have
That's
to
how she
deck,
stay.
deck you out, man.
So she stay, that neighbor there. No look on her because I don't want she know say me I tell you about her. She fast. Everybody will come here to me. She just up in my business and take my business and tell people out the road. Inquisitive, but you can't say hi because I don't want she know say she me I tell you about. So just turn on and say hi.
Hello.
Wait, it look like I ride this a come. Yes, I it. And that same man there we did get man. Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, I him. Yes, I him. I him.
Alright.
Thank God. Oh God.
All right,
Come,
bye.
walk here, so. Walk here, so. Finally arrived. Okay. Come. Come inside. Come, baby. Kiss auntie.
Right.
Kiss auntie. Tell auntie bye.
See you soon.
Tell auntie bye. Good
Bye.
girl. Good
Pretty
girl.
girl. See you
Come.
soon.
All right, come. Stay right here, so mama. Stay right here, so. Wait, baby, wait. Driver, you couldn't help me take up the suitcase and put in a something.
You know, see, actually, I want to go back problem and I don't really lift up nothing for right now.
You know, I notice with some on the driver, I want to charge the people them money per money and then, can you imagine? You just sit down in a, me not like anyway, I don't want no contention. Go on. Drive safe with my sister. You hear?
Alright.
I don't want no contention at all. Be careful and drive safe.
All
Boy,
right,
this a
love
drive-
you, sister.
Love
See
you.
See
Bye.
you soon. Talk
Drive
to you
safe.
soon. Bye.
As you reach, call me. My baby.
Alright.
You know, say driver wicked. He couldn't help take up his suitcase, put in a vehicle. Me can't stand them, man. Watch them. I hope him take
Delta.
care of my sister. Can't wait till he reach over if he come give me some money.
You see me I come? You are going like you know see me.
What do you mean me go like me not see you? Me not look for you. Where you do in my yard? How much?
I'm pick me call look for where Leila there.
Me tired of you.
Every minute are the same thing. Where you pick me there? Why you tired of the baby father?
You don't talk, me I listen to you. Because I know when you talk, me I talk. Because when me I talk, you don't like it, so me I listen to you. One way you come to me about?
More I'm see me pick me, more see me youth right now.
Are you youth you want to see?
Yeah.
Just your youth.
Yeah, just see me. So I can't see you too.
Why you want to see me? Oi, wait there. Because I'm tired, I come from far. Dwayne, where you come to me about?
Me come to
You come to me about your child or you come for one different thing? What you talk about?
alright, more see me pick me, when me. What make you go on so? You go on like say I know me and you for day. You must say how we say forever, you know.
Look here. Me, you're done. You look like you don't know what done mean. Finish. Finish. It over between we. There is no more we nor us. I just me. I'm a new man. New man in my life. See my ring finger here. Look here. Awa.
So you say you're married?
You want to see right ring finger, you're not going to see it. Let me tell you something. Me not married yet, but me about to. And me don't want you come in my life, come mash it up. Let me tell you something. The way me did love you doing, me can't believe you cheat on me. Me can't believe you deal with me so. The way me can't believe you don't want to mind the one picnic where you have. The way you diss me for much millions of girls out there, so when not even mean you no good. Every money where you get, you take it, give them, and then you come back to me, every minute you come, you want sex. With whom me? A breeder want to come breed me again, Dwayne? Yes. Remember the last time I give you? Baby, you know, so I love you, I give you everything. And this time I want twin, I want. Hell no. No twin, no single, no triplet. You ain't gonna breed me no more. Move from me gate.
You will always be you.
Hello.
You can't change.
Hello.
You're not changing, no?
Me not
You
going
not
to change. I am not money. It's only money you change.
Me think you that change.
Dwayne, the only change me go change is for Jesus, not for you. Not for you. You're bright.
Make sure you say next time I come back, I see me pitney.
Hello. Me did go in, but me not bother. If you in the mind your pitney, me wouldn't broke up for your next man. See me and want me. The man will find me know the use of me. Your workless now. Go on in your yard. Big and workless and thief. Like, you used to go thief 40 people, them sitting out of market, come give me for buy baby feed for me pitney. Me no want it no more, because me no want no more sin down me baby throat. You're bright. Bright. Me can lock me gate. You're out of there. Out of there. Come back and me gate a dash water upon you. When you don't have good woman in your life, you don't know. You take up the crosses them now, they must sit in off all of your money and come back. Where? Bright. Me a come in and me yard good, me come about, you know, I call you. Who you? Don't call me. Me not like you. Bright. Next time you come here, I call round Rex neck in your off your foot.
Girl, you have people not put them place for. How are you doing this? Sweep me and sweep up. Hey, long time I don't see you. I have some story to tell you. A be a story, me alone can't keep in them. Yeah. Be a story. You know, say woman over here so gonna foreign. So that have to do with you just love people business so. What day I see her put her sister on taxi for go airport, but me don't know in myself say she gone, she take over woman man. Hey! But they have to hear story. Me, no miss me. Me, them ears I ever clean. They I ever see. Just a wait.
Me depend no, cause me in a mix up thing. So me, look more, me I go get ready to go to church, so me I go and sleep up this way. Anyway, I can't go and back. Go look pan where I look pan.
But church, what church I go?
Jada!
Hey boy, where you call up my name for?
You know a long time mommy I look for you wash up plate them armchair.
Shut your mouth and go, man. Where you follow me for?
I see a love road.
You chat too much.
Yo, listen to me now.
Shut your mouth.
Mommy here say, you know, stop. Gossip down here. You chat. All your neighbor come down here and I report to mommy say, you know, stop chat. And what kind of style that? Come wash your plate them. If you
Wait till me come round. You going like a yard big man.
Yo, I'm tell you this, mama.
Good on the yard and follow me up. Where you follow me up?
Yo, what kind of style that you going in?
Move out front of me before me clock you. Good on that pull me. One to you. I will send you up here, so. Good on
Don't move me.
Just a walk and a follow, man. You stop following me,
Stop
man.
talking up,
You chat too much, man.
like yourself.
So gate we give me boasting tone. Sure. I don't know if sis not hurry up and put on this sitting funny. You know what? Let me call you before me go down there so you know down at Western Union, you know, cause God know. Me nah. Well, when I go down there, I have a number for collect it. Hey sis. Who this answer phone? Sherlan? Oh, your voice sounds so different, girl. Yeah. Yeah, I know say you send it off already, but you need to take the picture of the receipt and then send it to my phone so I can get the transfer number. So then call it. I need the number where you slip on it so I can put it on the slip to collect the money. Yeah. Just send it on WhatsApp to me. Alright. Yeah, thanks. I straight down the middle go right now, because right now me broke. Hi.
Hey, well gone.
You good?
Yeah.
How are you doing? Where you come from in this one?
You come find the hardware there.
How long are they selling this one?
So, tuna and something like.
So I don't see you come out with that. You just walk going there so.
Just me have things in my bag, man.
I don't have time for waste. I go by Western Union.
Alright.
Alright, later.
Yeah.
Girl, the fast, you see? Love fast not people business. I call my sister. Wait. I can't believe the sister sent so much money for me. Backside. I'm in New Year's money this. So I know some my sister love me, you know. Let me see, wait there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,000. 800. I not the way I'm glad. Father God, the way I'm glad when I receive the money. MoneyGram. MoneyGram, I get it from our Western Union. One of them, Father God, I don't know me go. But Thank you, Jesus. My sister said money come give me. I'm not telling her like best sister and I hold her. Make a call her and tell her say me receive it. Make she know say me get it. Cause me know when she over there stressed out. Boy, me can go buy one suit for my baby. Alright. Answer phone. Sherlan, me get the money, my sister. I mean how much me get? 9,800. Thank you very much. I love you so much. You soon send more money for me? Alright. Oh, that I go for your niece. What you, how look you got niece about? How is this? No, me not gonna use any money I send for your niece. Me not using it, you mad? But you idiot. Me bigger than her, a little baby that me have to go spend it for her, but me not gonna take none out there. Me go buy what you say for buy for her. Yeah. Anyway, you see a man. Down on the road, me pass him in the year. No, me not see me no woman down there. You know, say any of me see me no girl, me have to tell you. You're my sister, you know. My only sister. But when mother gone and left. Yeah. So it's just me, you and the niece. And maybe your man. What? What you mean when me say maybe your man? Yeah, me know say a man, but you know he come down already. Upon the road in the way I do out there so. I know say I'm a big man, I don't watch him, I no business with him. But anyhow, I see my chat to no girl, I go tell you, ain't too bright. Pass and call to him other day and him go like, you know, answer. I not look him. You should have known that to say I don't want your man. I would never look your man, you is my sister. I not do that to you, girl. Okay, you know I love you too. And when they come down, you think you want iPhone for me. Yes. I know you're just gonna and come back for now. Anything me see him do, me I go tell him. Me I go tell you, not him. A mistake me make. You know, sometimes I no sense already, you know. For true. But you have to send more money come give me for me carry news upon him. Me I watch him too. Yeah. Any girl me see chat to me, they tell you. You're mad, my sister? Me know say you love him. Okay, alright then. I know me love you already. Thanks for the money. What you? Stop shame me so. Boy, you hear me a chat about, you don't know if I'm MoneyGram or Western Union me go. I joke me did I make. Me no must know me collect money. No, say a real mascot. Alright, thanks. Yeah. I'll go out the door, you know. I'm feel thirsty. I'm going to shop go buy one water. Alright, cool. Later. Yeah, man. Love you too. Big up yourself, sis. All the way. Alright, cool. Yeah. Make sure turn the thing about me. They go down now. We go buy no water. Me, I go knock up on the door over in room. And see when you over there, they look. And I know me ear sitting like a while in there. And go look. And who in there? Because me just hear somebody in there.
Hello?
Can come in.
Who that? Hello?
Candy. Now come in.
Yeah, man,
All
come. Oh, go on.
No, so I have something to say to your friend the other day.
To me?
Yeah. I know nothing bad.
It sound like something bad me do.
No. You don't do nothing bad. I just have to tell you the truth. I can't keep it no more.
Your sister just gone and your sister have to talk to me, understand?
No, you no want to talk to.
Me?
I know nothing bad, man.
You want to go on then? This is something serious.
I like how you sit up because there's something important to tell you, you know?
No. No bother with that.
Oh,
It's a touching thing. Remember, you know, and your sister me there with, and I love your sister. And there's nothing can separate me from your sister. And look how she just leave. Okay. Me hope I know what me are thinking in my brain, you come to me with.
Me and I think the same thing. Because, you see what me I think? Me I think for me going to business, but it look like it on one different level.
What kind of business you talking about?
You know, say I'm a secret admirer for a long time and you're going like you don't know too.
No, that
How
can't.
happened? Maka joke here?
No, hot. It's that situation hot. Listen to me.
You have to hot.
Listen to me.
Because me like you a long time. No. Please, just hear me out. I like you for true. My sister not have to know about it.
No, you can't say that.
No. But how she gonna know? Me not tell her, or you go tell her?
Me, I go tell her.
But are the two of we are gonna know. If me not tell her, no more you go tell her. Then I say you love chat, you chat too much.
You chat too much.
We
Me
can't
can't.
keep- no.
Listen, your sister
Please,
has
no,
done
please.
so much for me, and she has been so good to you. And
My
me
sister
know
not
say-
give me nothing. She not do me. She not.
She not just send the money.
Who tell you that?
She tell me and sister no hide no information.
My sister not send no money.
You cannot be this cruel. Look how she had tried for we. And we not right over there, so no,
you
and we
can't
can't.
talk about that. But when we get into this, just
No.
just please, no, just
No, bother. My phone.
Oh, yeah, go.
Listen to me, I say,
What?
don't do that.
How what happened?
Me, I say, all right, here I go. I think it's something hot for your head. Just think about it first.
Me I think about it.
No,
That's
think-
why I want your rain to fall
No,
in
no,
my
no,
memory.
no,
Please,
no,
me,
no,
I beg you.
no,
Please,
bother.
please. What make you go on so? And you alone the in here, nobody no know.
Man, get me some water. Me
No,
thirsty.
no. You
Listen
know,
to me.
no.
Me thirsty. All right. Let me think about it. Cool me down and me think about it. Just get me some water.
So me I can't sleep tonight.
All right.
Just one night,
But just
one night.
Get me some water first.
No water, no dear. Water
Get me
gone.
some
Just
water.
let me
first.
sleep.
Get me some water. Just get me some water.
No, just.
No, man,
wait,
listen, man.
hold on,
No. Wait. Work with me, no, man.
What me fi do? Get the water?
Work with me, yeah. Get the water.
And then-
Yeah, because right now, me have to think about certain things. Let's get the water and then come back.
You have condom?
Everything there. That's
All
it.
right.
Get the water.
So, wait then, me have something to do. You can't just make you lie down with
No. Get the water first. Your place hot.
Alright.
At Jamaica, we're there, you know.
Me soon come in.
Get the
now?
water, yeah. Let's get the water. I'll come back. Yeah?
Just one cup of water you want?
One cup of water.
Alright.
With ice, yeah?
Yeah.
What is mommy? Never expect this. What do you want?
Open the door.
What to you? Come back tomorrow.
See water here.
Me no want it. Me no want water. Throw in your face and cool out.
You know about thirsty again?
No, I'm not thirsty again. Are you thirsty? Drink it. Drink some of my water and cool down.
Alright, I want to talk to you.
Me no want to talk to you right now. Not right now. Tomorrow.
Alright, me go in my room.
Yeah, man. Go in your room, man. Go in your room. What is that?
You can't just let me in, please.
No.
Why?
Where you going like you're psycho? Don't do this to me, man. Me can't take this now, man.
You tell me say you have condom.
That nothing to do with it. Candy,
Huh?
from 6 hours ago you there, sir?
Look how me beg you to let me in.
Candy, you really there, sir, asleep?
Are you may wait once you open up the door?
Candy, alright, here I go on. You have to understand the situation. See, you can't pressure me. This is your plan. You can't be so. Are you still having water here, sir?
You send me for your water, so me things you want it.
Candy, listen to me. Go and go sleep. Candy, remember say we're all adults here. You understand? We're adults. Your sister just gone, you know. Right now my body tired. When she come in the room and we are doing things and hear a certain sound, what do you think we're doing? Pray? Read the Bible? Just easy, man. Tomorrow, just sleep it off. And if you have the same feeling tomorrow, take it to the pastor and pray about it. We can't do nothing to help you. See? So go on your bed, go sleep. Let's go cool out. Tomorrow we talk, more you go on. Come.
One on it.
Come on, come.
Wait.
Take the phone. Give me the water. Thanks for your water. Let's go on.
Wait, hold on. You do all of the talking. It's my body. And this is your body. My sister body different from my body. Right now, I feel like I put my body on your body.
Right.
So, hold on, the way I talk about pasta, then if I feel like heat in the night, you know, because ice can give me put pan if you cool it down, because you look like, you know, come here, go in.
Listen to me, man. No, hear me. Come on, man. Listen. Lock the door, because I mean, understand. Over there, son. Me over here, son. Cool out till tomorrow. Go on.
Just follow me going in my room, please.
I don't need to follow you. You know your way. Light in there. Turn on the light and go along your bed. Tomorrow we talk. Christ.
Public.
Hello. You still
Come
upon
here 1
something?
minute, please.
Eh?
Come here 1 minute.
Me tell you already, say if you go on. Me can't bother with this, you know.
Public. I just thought me come to talk to you.
Me no want
I
alright
know
talk.
that again, my youth.
Eh?
I something me come to talk to you about.
Yeah, but I see something you're talking about from yesterday, me upon that.
You come me talk to you or what? Or your door open? What? Go
No,
on,
let's
no?
talk this, sir. And what really are going on?
Just come open the door and me talk to you. No, me
Yeah,
don't want
tell
the
it-
next door neighbor to hear me until you say.
Yo, just talk, man. Me can't upon that way upon, you know. And that's a problem.
Alright then, me just come apologize to what me did do. You know what me did that try to do already.
Okay, no, you
Just come
sound...
me talk to you now, please.
No, you sound like... Alright, see, talk now. No, you sound, like... Because you have to know, say, there's something wrong
Me
here.
can come in.
Yeah, man, come in and tell them about this, sir.
Me sorry for what happened. Here, I'm serious, me mean it.
You sure?
I joke me did that make me never serious. Me sorry, I wouldn't like for me and my sister have anything because of that. So me ask her, please, if you can bother tell my sister about it.
Well...
Me not go do it again.
If I can guarantee, say, it's a mistake and you not do it again, maybe accept the apology. But you see, if I something where you just try to come in the room and all of this, then I go tell her. Because nothing can work between me and you.
I joke me did that make me never serious. I just joke me did that sleep and me did that think something. But not about you, you know. Me just think about and did kind of feel one funny way too. Something many think about. And I have to tell you what. I did feel one funny way, like my front up jump.
You understand?
So I just did think say you that agree with me for me. Yeah, you know?
Well, as me say, the situation is the situation. And, you know, you have to do what you have to do. You understand? But you have to understand some respect and love for your sister and for your sister.
I that me sister, you love my sister. You don't like me.
No, me like you as a sister-in-law.
Oh.
You understand me? I say, but you have to understand, say, I just decided. Can't go no further. You understand me? I say? So just accept that.
I accept it.
Me can't, alright, here me gonna do for you. Me have one virgin, you know. See him Rasta, all them things, me know you gonna like him.
I lie.
Yeah, me I say him come.
You look
come.
like you?
No, not this long. Not this long. Here I go. Yeah, him look like I'm here.
I shame me,
Yeah,
and
shame.
debate me,
No,
go
man,
slow,
this-
me not do nothing.
No man, I better have to me and for your sister holy matrimony. You understand me? I say after me. No, over yourself, man. See, birth me I come bring in for you see. And go, yeah, trust me, and go work a while. In fun, you know what I mean? I'm a virgin for a long time.
Not tell no lie, I'm jealous over my sister. I wish me find one man like how she find
They're
you.
gonna make you find it. Don't worry yourself.
And see a man like you?
When him forward in, just trust me. You're gonna happy. You understand me? I say, I know how to deal with the ladies them. You know what I mean? He's a ladies man.
You have teeth?
Yeah man, yeah, all about teeth. Not all about the
Your
teeth.
teeth they not rotten.
Listen to me man. I never rotten teeth. I want a decent person.
But me
Man.
don't tell you already so me not like some man with rotten teeth.
No,
And then me have to
man.
go kiss them. Me can't bother with that.
Don't worry about that man. I don't think it is right. Don't worry about that. Yeah?
Anyway, me not keep up your time. I
Respect.
just
Respect
tell
her
me
manners.
come to tell us I'm sorry about what happened.
Me not gonna tell her. Me not
And me
gonna tell
ask
her.
if you not tell me sister. You promise?
Me promise. From you,
Public
stick
is
to your
serious, you
word.
know?
From you stick to your word, everything good.
Probably me serious.
Me know you
see,
serious.
anyhow you tell me sister say me come in here. Cause me want things with you and make me and my sister have nothing. Me
Sure,
tell
yeah.
lie pan you say you did that hold me down in my room and you have to pay me if you not tell lie pan. You think me not joking? Watch and see. Me not joking. You will say you never want to do it with me, you will see. Me serious. You better not say it to my sister. Make she call me and ask me not
Alright.
nasty.
It done that so. It done that so. See?
You that see lie when me tell pan
It
you.
done that so. It done that so. Respect her man. What a sister-in-law is, man.
Can't stand that boy in public. Hard. Johnny Star.
Yeah, I go so early.
Every time you see me, you come ask me what they go on, where they go on. What they go on? You tell me.
But yeah, I go so early. Make sure you send a rest there. I go check you know.
Rasta. Which Rasta that? What's Rasta there in Jamaica in our world? Me did tell her, you see it? See it there? See it there? That's why she always asks me what they go on, Father God. Why you want to know my business so? How what happen? How what you hear about? You know, see a new year this 2023, and you carry your dirty style from last year coming at this a new year, yeah? Love no people business. You have to drop off your old style, man.
Oh, sir. Come here, say you're a rasta there.
You see it there again? No judge, no take ear
I
say.
don't know if I true, you know, but I want me here.
You believe. If you wouldn't ask me.
Me just ask.
That with Uno.
If you hear, if I true, say you're the rasta there.
So why is me and him there?
Me hear say, you're the rasta there. Son of your sister, man.
So you come fast in my business now. Yes, I'm my sister man now. Me did tell you say me and my sister man there. Me could have ever known say my sister man and me go there with my sister man. You think me and you are the same thing? Lady, I come for work or you come for my people business? Or my sister man I look you?
Oh, me hear people talk.
You hear people attack or you make up a story?
Me no make up a thing. I want to know the fraud around the place, I tell me. But me work here.
Yo, you know me?
No, me no know you.
You don't know me? Eh? You don't know me, that's why you're not fast in people business.
I girl, we are fast
Hey
in
girl,
your
let me
business.
tell you something.
I really worry me. And I just tell the way people them a talk about the day with the sister, man. Me no come for that, man.
Oi,
Me
Tappy.
no come for that, man.
Mind you make people them in the area, yes, I
Nobody
me there with
nah
my
hear.
sister man
Nobody
because
nah
the
hear, man.
irks.
Listen to me no, man.
Irks. Me no want hear nothing from you. Girl, mind what you talk about my sister man. Me no like when no girl talk about my sister man. All when me and him no there. And me no want him, so nobody get it twisted. Girl, you say if I never want him, I mean they go somewhere. You will sue me do it out here. I make you lose all your job because upon the premises you're there, you come to go in argument with me.
Alright.
I know you're a man.
Alright, you
You
say you're
see?
saucy. Me, I go take my time come go on the work because I don't want to lose
You're
my
better.
job.
You're
stand
better.
lucky, so me I tell you, when me hear people them a chat say, I
You're not
watch you,
interested.
girl. Come tell me. worry yourself.
And
me
you
gonna
are one next
work.
news carrier, because I never
No.
ask you anything.
You not have to ask me nothing, mama.
And
not
you're no friend neither.
Listen to me, man. You not have to ask me nothing.
Look here.
I tell you.
Hello, you
Tell
say look
me, I
like
tell you to
upstairs
them.
and downstairs and underneath the
I-
toilet. If I lick your fat girl, you know what, me come go along
Me,
about business.
go the kid girl, we are watch your business.
Mind you lose a job, you know.
Me not
And
lose
me
my
yard
job.
you there. Oi.
Gonna work.
Inna
Bye-bye.
me yard you
Goodbye.
there. Careful of what you
Goodbye.
do.
I'm going to work.
Girl, you not
Later.
even know who you are talking.
Later,
I
cause
think you
you-
not no time, you know if you bust up your face.
Go on.
Wait. Worry yourself. Watch me here, you will do it again. Rank.
Bushkash,
Yo, dog.
why come give me a link here, car, yo?
Oh. Yo, dog, what go on?
I'm there, bro.
Yeah, deal. Judge.
Then I get there, boy. Believe me.
Yeah.
That vibe's never showing, a brother.
Yeah, yeah. Cause I say judge from where they I'm not even see you, dog.
Yo, look at all the reason for this.
All right.
I know some mom's there. Mom's there, you know true?
Yeah, man.
I tell you, man.
Yeah. I tell you, dog.
Yo, that situation, yeah. Yeah, I can reason with you, boy,
You
cause
see it?
yeah, I don't know, so yeah.
Yeah,
I'm
man.
whole like girl, you know.
Cool,
You know
yeah,
what I mean?
man. For real.
So you are going now, you see?
Mhm.
You don't know, say me as a brother wanna really run around and
Yeah.
but you're the one who always have the whole like woman the man thing, you know what I mean? So I really help no one from you, cause you're for my sister,
Yeah.
woman. I try to run on for me, bro.
Eh.
I'm gonna depend on that. You know what I mean?
Judge of God, brother, you may I tell you something. You know say, right now, daddy, you have to take a one bang and fight, you know, because I guess what go on, that she want. You man have to know what go on, dog. Remember me I tell you.
Well, that I'm afraid of, bro.
Mm.
Cause I guess I know. Me really and truly know want mash up things. Remember say a long time I was struggling. I must say you are and save me when Pauline were running for me certain way. You understand me I
Brother,
say?
take a one chance, brother. Go on, yo, you can get a one bang, because you don't know anything going on there.
That's
Get
right,
a one
man.
bang, daddy.
Brother, I don't really want to go back to the road there.
So, yo, I'm tell you what I go on. Zane, right now, brother. You see, once she comes to a woman and go on like say she want to pressure you with the thing. I not tell you if you do it still, but if you want to do it still. You know what I say?
You
But
may say, you may say, bro. And you more have to come up there.
Me?
And come lock her up. Because I don't know if you think, but you have the blingers, you know what I mean, and all these things. Maybe I can drive all, you know what I mean? Because you don't know, so maybe I something she look, but brother, can't mash up my relationship because of that. You understand me I say? Because you run off woman, just fly out, you know? You understand me I say? And, yo, you see if she don't deserve it, you see if my woman when deserve them kind of thing, when I running. But because she too loyal, bro. You understand me I say? So I really and truly come link you, more you for running.
right now, now come up back on guitar page. Because right now, come like
That
all
man.
my luck, that is it.
I tell you, bro.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? 'Cause I don't know anything. A long time we are rolling, I know exactly some certain vibe, but
You say she look good.
yeah, man, a decent browning, man. You know what I mean? Browning man, 'cause I know it's a browning man, I feel thing, you know?
I brown in them, I say, daddy.
I tell you so, you
Young
know what I
black
mean?
woman still, but...
Yeah, I know that vibe, you know what I mean? But,
Yeah, man.
yo, so you say, tomorrow,
Tomorrow, I come up back on link her and, you know, all our vibes, have a drink and see what I go and introduce me to her.
Yeah.
See what I go on.
all right, brother. Here we go. Respect a man as
Yeah.
Yo, I'm glad
Big
you
up
saved me.
yourself.
Butch
Go
cash.
love and
Yo,
go love and-
respect in the brother.
Yeah, man, I do it, man.
All right, my
Go
boss. Cool, cool.
Boy, I tell you, say, you man, them care too much, daddy. Judge.
Why you take so long to answer your phone? You know how long me they call you? What do you mean, so when I call you for? I just want to call you to talk to you about something. How are you there? You asleep? Okay, good. You're there, your bed. Oh. Alright. I just think many things about something, man. So I just feel like to call you and I call you. Me can't call you? Okay, you see you around in your room. Alright. May I go back on bed? Alright. I wonder if I feel grow on the Father God. All along me I try, you know. For me and him in a things. Father God, you can just answer my prayer tonight. God knows I'm lonely. I don't have nobody. But me ask you one question, Jesus. You think you're wrong for doing it with my sister, man? You gotta keep it a secret and don't make she know? Jesus? Why? I don't tell no lie. A long time I pray for one good man, you know. I'm jealous over my sister, man, Father God. You can't just find one good man for me. I don't really want to do with my sister, man, you know. I just feel me lonely and I need somebody in my life, one good man. Because a day crosses me and buck up on. Look like the devil don't like me and he like my sister. I don't want he like me. I have to get that man there. And me and my sister go there with the same man. You agree with me, Jesus? What you say? You not agree? I know say you not agree. But me ask if you forgive me before me do it. Please me I beg you. I don't be a face, me be a face. I just, you know, I didn't stupid thing me I come in my head and you know me feel lonely, you know. Me I try, me I go around there. Father God, if you know, say me go get in a trouble, do tap me on the way, but me I go try and see if me can go in and mean things with me here. Alright. I have nobody else to talk to, Father God. I just you one. Right now, I don't know how my body feels, so I swear. I don't know how my body feels, so I just feel one weird way. You know, like I call my body, I call. Please, me I beg you, just cool down for me, please. If you want me to drop asleep or me groan, they just tell me, please, me I beg you. I don't know how I feel, so please. Alright, you think I paid me one bed, Jesus? Because I never bathe from morning, you know, and my body feel hot, you know, in a heat. I'm going to knock on the door, but not tell nobody. You know, say not tell nobody. You're my best friend.
Don't leave me high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh.
I don't understand. I'm not saying I go back in bed. So I trick me. You think you can trick me? Alright, Mr. Public. Are your room this and anywhere there you have to come back tonight. Okay, if you sleep on me, they tell me, sister, anybody you have to sleep with and me. You're not supposed to sleep with no other girl. Only my sister and me, and my sister not there here. So me in charge. Bright. Trick me. Think I'm that I come. Alright, I'm gonna surprise you. Left your door open, me no know if you want. Like you want me come in your room to your two general. I might lock out your backside out of your own room. And I lock you because I want to hold you when you come back in here. You think I saw it I go? The way my body in a heat around this one, you a man in the building and not service me. But you love my sister, everything good. Me I sit down until you come back and me lie down and sleep. Watch out. How is this? Tissue and bone, it look like he have running belly. And he name too much. You now get that bone when you come back. Watch me here. Bright. Lucky. Like he have running belly. If I not get no front. How long my sister gonna find? I don't want to tell if a woman ain't gonna look at road. And me the year so well thirsty and hot and I beg him just for one service. Come in and go do it again with him. I just want to cool down a little bit. Do I'm about in business. What no. I don't want no one that dirty bunny. And he near me. You must think me a dead for you. You try go over this. Stand over this. Sometimes I have to chat to myself. Because I want a man and I not none. Sister going like I said she's special. They are foreigner man out here they wait for him. Oh my sister going like she's special so. In Father God. So what do me make me can't get no man? Father God, I'm a sister. I better me take my sister man more than go take other people when me and them man know nothing and any cause problem. My sister will see with me and say me and my sister, make me you keep it safe man. I bet my sister do it. We are blood thick and water. I think I saw it go. Have to do it tonight. Watch me and him. Me are waiting him come.
Candy, what you doing in my room?
You come back in how long me wait for you?
What do you mean wait for me for?
Hold on there.
No sir, you're man. You can't.
No, we
Me
are
gonna
go.
make this up. No sir.
Just waste my time. Can't believe. You want to say I waste my time. You come and then run out and you see me in your bed. Naked. I wonder if you afraid of front. Because my front fatter than my sister front, you know. I used to see it when I little. I used to be there. Come go in my room, man. You know, so I never tap by something here, though, God. Really and truly, I'm my sister, man. And I should not look in. You're wrong. I go find a man for myself, Father God. Yeah. And I know nothing more with him. Me talk to him as my brother-in-law. But me not look him again because you're wrong. Sister not fit deal with sister, man. Find your one, man. That made it thing for a long time, you know, Father God. You couldn't tell me? Boy, I make a biggest mistake. But I'm glad I never do nothing with him, you know. I don't know my sister how that feels. Go on in my room. Better me go back and go bed and cool down myself. And your dirty tissue. Name them. I see I've running belly make you use so much tissue.
Hello? Hey, what's up? Oh, yeah, man. You know, say, me get a little break, and since me come and me was so busy, me never get chance to call you. So I just want touch base, to make you know say everything all right, and worry and everything. But you're good though. What you say? You have something to tell me? About who? No, man. My sister? No, I joke can't make, man. No, man. I joke can't joke. No. No, man. No. My sister would have never do something like that. No, me can't swear for her. No. You know what? Like me say, me dey on one little break, you know. So, me will call you back later. We talk tomorrow. All right?
Yes. And when you do I sleep, you must sleep, yes, sir? I really sleep. All right, stand there. Soak you with water. Get up. You know have a room upstairs. Sleep you really there yourself, sleep.
Little girl. Yes, when I hold you, see? When I hold you. Calm me. I want you to calm me.
You know, make me do it. Every time you put me off. Can't do it before my sister come back me. You know, I have to tell her. You know, so I love her already. I'm alone on the bed. Wait there. Hold on. I really dream me a dream. How could I cast this make me love public so? And I'm my sister, man. Hey. God. I can't believe. After I left out in room and say I got my bed. Come like me go on my bed with this boy, this little dirty rasta man. I could have was so. I want to take you out of my mind. I want to take you out. I want to hear around there, hear me. I want to get you out of my mind. I want if I sit there and say me if you take my sister, man. God, this is not normal. God, please, may I beg you, answer my prayer. Me not chat to him again. Me no want nothing with him again, Father God. Me done with him. Me take him out of my mind completely. Me go look at different man. Me no want nothing with him. Me take him out of my mind completely. Me go look at another man. Me serious, Father God, me beg you to help me, please. Me no know how work as this. Nah, tell no lie, no Jesus. You know, say all do me say. Me no want him again. Me still have this strong feeling for him. I think me love him still. I say me don't change my clothes and look if he all this up. Me a chat to myself because right now he come like a mad me a mad. Me can't believe say. Me love public so much. I want the public over me. Because he don't want nothing with me and me still a push on me. He can't over me fit you in, Father God. I change my clothes and me a go in room go look if me see him because he have to do it with me. Me serious. It's a war in here. I go change my clothes and go on there. I nah beard. Father God, you know say they have one saying say, if you're not beard and go buy a cash pot, you will catch it. Yes. And you're lucky when you're not beard. So I hope me have some luck today. Me nah beard, me just change my clothes and make him feel say me beard and put on nice clothes and grow on upon him. Because me have to get him, or if you want there with my sister alone. Father God, me not nobody else to talk to but you. Right now, this boy has mad me. I can't bear the feelings then. I wonder if I dream, me just a dream like a while. Because kill me dead in the panny bed beside me. Oh. I feel look nice for my sister, man. No one know that is man. And she alone can't get him. But what could I cast this? I want Father God, please me I beg you. Tell me when my sister have, when me not have. You know, some feel like if it damage a girl like. I don't want to hurt my sister, I swear to God. Sake of one man. How she find that the good man there and me can't find no man so good? Something must be wrong with me. Unless I hope they are public over me, Jesus. can't take this feelings no more. Me a grown in room. You better open up the door. It's a war in here. I'm serious. Call him and find out if he's around there first. I style him and style me every minute, but me dey out the road when he in a room like me I do. And he trick me last time and tell me say around here when me grown they not around. They make me dey wait till me and call him. I call him right now.
Who did I call me for, man? Hello?
Hey babe.
Who you call me, baby? How would you still up on that?
What do you mean who me a call babe? Oh yo. Nobody ready. Nobody start now. A new man in this. If you see me dress up nice for you, you can go on like but no call me no babe. What do you mean how much time if you tell me say is my sister you love? Me already know say I'm my sister there. But me love you. What about that?
Yo, man, the power you depend on, I'm tell you already, you know.
Love and love equal. How? So you know, when I call your phone, and that, delete out my number out your phone and say I'm block me. And you will see me and you're in a mega road me and warrior for your front. You think me not joking with you? You know long me like you. Me like you before you like my sister. Don't you no argument with me. Me can bet say I you there around your friend and make you talk to me that kind of way there. And they go like you know good man. Go see if a girl them where they with.
What you say?
What you mean? I'm going your sister alone me there with. Really?
You can't love me. What did that woman, man? You depend where you depend. I tell you already, stop it, man. Me look up peace. Me have run out of the room last night. Eh?
Me cannot prove that and she worse or she not there. She can't prove it. Me want to talk to you. Which part you there? What do you mean? Me if you make sure say me not come to your room. I know that contact me. You figure say same house we live in.
That is it?
What do you come like a war? You want me if you war in here? Me mean you say any when they come here and buy one pack of condom, you will see for me and you have to do it with me. You will see. That's when they done with you. Remember me did warn you already, you know. Me tell you already, you know. Say any you go on like you want to beat me up. I know you come and still insist like you don't want to come make me do whatever we're supposed to do. You know, say the time due now, overdue too. Me wait too long. You all make me the dream see you, hey boy. You feel say me not ramping with you? Me not no joking thing. My body is calling from last night till in the morning. And me they tell you, you know how much man wish. Then when how a woman for the call them phone say they in a heat. What do you? You come like you're frightened for one woman. What did you? You're going like you're no loyal man.
Yo, leave me alone now, sir.
You're going like you are the virgin and my sister take your virginity. You used to do right before. No mind chapel now you dead with. Me a come around your room now. If you tell me one more lie again every minute you can me watch me and me a bust up your face and go down to a police station and go tell them say you first lick me. I'm not joking. Come on for my phone. But I go in your room. Because I know you're not in there. I have go out on the road, go buy cash pot and see if I can get one number and win. If you win one woman, one man, and the man I refuse, I want to see what the number they be. Sure. See there, garnish party if you get and him a run from it. I go to the road.
Hi, Brownie. You know, say you fit a description of one girl where me I look for though.
Hold on there, me see. Why time now? You have to hurry up, you know, cause me I know where to get one number the cash pot.
Brownie, you know, say I'm not really waste your time still, but you don't know, say, right now, me get a description of a person just like you, that you're nice Brownie like you, I know say you in a car, brother public, you must know public. I him tell me boy, you know, me heart just, from me see you, me heart keep a beat. And me I say, see you, and you know, and me you feel fired up. So you say, I'm bold too much. Jaja.
Hello. You're there too far. Come right here, son. What's your name?
You know, say a bush cash them call me Brownie, I swear.
Bush Cash.
Yeah,
So
man.
you're sure say the
Yeah.
description where the person give you
Yeah.
is me.
Almost sure, but me sure, you know, me sure.
I don't think you reach 100% sure. Because it's not me.
Browning, are you are the
You
girl
see the
for
man
me,
with me like, a matter of fact, me love and me want there with.
Yeah.
I don't want to tell you how. But that the man there, in there with my sister. And that the man there me love and him me want me sorry. Me no want you.
Really?
No, me no want you. And a matter of fact, you come and talk to me and me can't even see your face. All up at me see your face. Me no want to talk to you, or who you, and who send you to me. Wrong description and wrong direction. A matter of fact, where did I go?
So hold on. Come on now, Browning, man. Oh my God, man. You want to tell me say your sister, man, you love? And
So what
have
about
a
that?
nice man like me.
What
and
about that? No one man.
Can't do that,
One time,
Browning,
me
man.
hear where you have to
Me,
take
man,
her.
you
Right now, I'm not even really interested, but me I listen.
Browning, nice man like me for doing in your life. Yes, when me grow up in your life, you don't need no other man, Browning. Look, Browning, you say me no deserve it. Then in your life, look on a pretty girl like you, nicely dressed. Everything perfect, boy, you're right. Browning, come on, man. You deserve a man of your own. Look on your body. Oh my God, man.
Excuse me? No disrespect, but you don't fit my criteria. Me depend on a different level. I'm a sister man, me say, how that affect you?
No, Browning, me no go with that, brother. Cause you see right now.
So my sister man, I don't want a man like any other man. He's a man just like you. But you want to tell me, say, my sister man no look good?
Mama, big man thing. Looks part of the problem, you know. Cause me don't say a public here talk. Me know that. But yeah, me I say, man, you need a man for yourself, big man thing. See me right in front of you.
Excuse me. Let me tell you something, if you never know. You waste my time. And my sister man, and me, the three of we in one, make one. Blood thicker than water. I don't even know you. Who you? Who you? Who tell you say me want one different man from my sister man? I'm my brother-in-law. Blood thicker than water.
No.
And let me tell you something. Me admire public. Here? Let me admit it now. Yes, it's public. And so what? Me admire public. The way you take care of my sister, the way you treat her right. No man never treat me so. Them the kind of treatment me want. And from me know say about a man, they take care of my sister so. I could have my mama, me and him a there.
Browning, jealousy I go come in there. Cause if your sister find out, me know you love public, and me know say your sister love public. How one brother go share can't cut in a half. Everybody want one.
My
brother.
sister don't mean to me. So she will learn to share from that the time she here. Bye.
See you gonna love me, you know. Watch it. You gonna see it.
Anytime you see public, tell him say me, make I come back to you. Yeah, act like I say you know public long time. How long since you know him?
Long time I know him. But I mean
Well,
to be a man.
anytime you see him, tell him say me say a hyping thing in the pan, but me not the pan level there. If he always remember say me and him, then I see him also. And my sister gone, and she now come back for now. So I'll have to ride him. Me run out of the room there, him run out the next room, and if he not come in my room, me go enter in my room, and me go always in my room. He go and tired to see me face. And he can't get me out of the race, because my sister there, and me and him are there too. Tell him
Browning,
that.
you hear me I tell you?
Mm.
That will cause problems. You need a man and see a man. You understand me I say?
One man to me goodie. That's a public. That's a public.
Browning,
man
are you
to
me
me
love?
That's a public.
Browning, are you me
That's a
love?
public.
Brown,
One
you
man
see
to
you,
me goodie.
love you and you.
That's a public.
God know you.
That's a public.
Jaja.
To me goodie. That's a public. That's a public. One man to me goodie. That's a public. That's a public.
Of my time. Oh.
Hello? Can you give me 31? When I answer, eat your food. Me want 1 by 1 for 31. And give me 11, 50 by 50. One 35, 1 by 1 too. Make sure you say make me win, you know. Oh. Okay, thank you very much. I can't wait to win because any of me catchy. Girl, me have one man there with me love. Me have to go buy one gift. Valentine soon coming up, give me it. I tell you one secret, I'm my sister man. But me love him too. Yes. Give me change. Yeah, me I share with her. She feel learn to share with her blood. Thanks. Here, how much money this you give me back? A 500 of them here? Alright, how would they funny? Oh, you look like a nanny. Oh, alright, thanks. Here. Alright. Somebody I drive fast up on the road. Mommy! Where my daughter there, mommy? Where my daughter there?
Here.
Come here, baby. No, baby. Make your shoes stay. Come here. Come to mommy. Come. Okay, juicy baby. And chips. You can give your friend them some here. Stay with grandma till me come back. Here, baby. All right, kiss mommy. Hey, later. Here? All right, baby. Later, mama. Stay with grandma. Here? All right, bye. Love you. Love you. Bye. I call this a dirty one. Yeah. Drunk and I want to answer phone. Bye, baby. Stay with grandma. Me soon come here. Me have to go hustle on the road. All day, night before me go to my yard. Later, mommy. Later, baby. Mommy love you here. Your auntie are going to send money for you. Layla? Your auntie are going to send money for you here. So when she send it, come give me. Me go buy something for you and carry come give mommy make she give you here. Alright, so later, bye. Tell mommy, say, love you, baby. Mwah, love you. Kiss me. Mwah. Good girl. Can't bother with that dirty boy, you know. I know you don't help my name pick me. You see how much time I call him, Father God? You see how much time? That's why I want to use condom. As a matter of fact, God, you know, somebody did use your burst. My baby no come by mistake. Me love my child, Father God, but me breed for the wrong man. Me no sorry say me have me youth. Me just sorry say the wrong man breed me. Cause see them me call him and he no want answer. Me can't take them dirty man here, you know. And look how the good man did that look me God. And me avoid the man and go chat to this. Yo. You not hear me call you? Me not talk to you no better, you know. Me not talk to you no better. You come at me yard and you come chat about you come look for picnic. And not even dollar you not left for the youth. Eh? All you are sperms donor. You is not a daddy. Any of me you got code DNA is not available. You could never be my baby father. Just you is a mistake in my life. But my youth is not a mistake. Me, what? You're an idiot. You's not the only man there. Right. A liar tell. The amount of man where you look me. Actually, me not the type of girl there. Me just easy myself up. Me tell you already it's a new man in my life. Yeah, because I don't want you back. I breed you want come breed me again. Me tell you 1 million times you want me tell you again. Me no want you. You feel mind your pitney. See me I feel left. Yo. What? Yeah, talk. Talk me I listen talk. So what? When last you give me money for Layla? When last? Tell me. Me can count it on my finger out of last year, 2022, the amount of time where you give me money. Now it's 2023. I know you not give me $1. And then you take your bright self and come on my gate. New man in my life. Me show you my ring finger already. You're lucky. Not because you don't see no ring panny, it will be on it very soon. What I wait about you? You have to mind your pitney dirty boy. Me sorry me did come lay down with your junk crow. Whatever. Me don't care. You can't come back into my life. So what? No. Hold on there. Don't tell me say you was the best thing in my life. I lie they tell. You see the day when you come out of my life, it's the best thing you ever do. Of course. Right. You know what? I not waste my credit on you because you waste of time. Me tell you already say if you don't mind your pitney me, okay your coat. Because some of you no man love jump up and down on woman and when pitney come no and turn up to no responsibility. You know what come off of my phone drunk row. Dirty dog. No, I'm not even about to go up the road, you know.
Come here.
Hey, me have a tour if you tell you.
How you love people them busy, sir?
Yeah, what?
Anyway, I want to hear though.
Other day, me pass around there so. And I see you are still asleep. I
Dash you at the phone. I lie. You not John him. You not John.
You run for me, but he not catch me. You know me fast already.
Okay, me know you fast like you see and boat already. Me
Hey.
know that.
But he have a room up there so. Where am I do a flat asleep? Me know what? Me have an idea. I go the rasta woman up there. I trouble him. And maybe one give him some money. You know, and something wrong with it.
Me know you already come with the mix up them, you know. But I hurt me the pan.
Alright.
Yo, public. Yo, public. Yo, public. Yo, public. Mama. You know public there.
You know what's not there right now? Because in Ghana and farm, I know say a farming in do. Yeah.
Yeah man, for real baby. You know say a farming, yeah man, I know a farming industry man, but I don't know man. Look at my father, I don't know the link him, you know. But yeah, say a tight so we have a yo, come here. Yeah one time. Because you're sexy, you know. You see it? Nice girl, you know. Yeah man, forward it, man. Yeah one top baby.
I lie.
Yeah man, for real man.
Come here, you have to say that to me.
Yeah man, baby, my guys, yeah, nice, you know. Yeah man, so I'm going to treat it on work and things, but yeah, I said, I'm going to upstairs and make a one evening call, like, come here alone there. Just going to go to the whole of one vibe, you know, see? But I worry about no work thing, man, you know, so I'm going to go to the whole of one vibe. I'm my virgin place, you know, I know say I'm sitting in the fridge can drink. You know, but I want to get shy, man.
No, but the people them working now, I don't want to carry no man, like people them out that they work me at work, I don't want to fire me. You understand what me I say? So, I think 5 minutes can't kill me still, but forward.
Say me can call my baby girl if she want to go on. Time for go man now. Can't get through to her.
You ready for me, G?
I'm there all the time, you know what I mean? Long day today, yo, everything I look bright up there, you know what I mean? But yeah, me a while ago, I try to call my wife, but I not get her, so I go head home, you know. And things, so you want to hold off everything.
Yeah, man. One way I
Yeah.
do, man. Me just go and pick up some of the enjoy later.
Alright, respect, man. Here. So tomorrow early, me forward back through.
Alright.
Alright?
Do you
Yeah,
have
man.
to?
Respect.
Yeah.
I'll try to call her still.
Oh, mommy, I can't. Hello. Mama, I just done bed, you know. Up on the road, I go collect something from Sister Joyce. I did something I go collect from Sister Joyce. Sun all hot. Yes, mommy, I say my bed. What's the matter wrong with you? Lady, I go collect something from Sister Joyce. Me see you. What you do over there, sir?
You know, say, yeah, man, I'm a virgin public, I'm going to link over there, man.
You sure a public you go over there, Galing?
Yeah, man, a public, I'm going to link, man, because I guess what I go on. You know, so I have something to say to him, and I stop by him and say, yo, man, give me one check. As simple that.
You too lie, you know, did it, you gone from man. You sure I know your sister, you go over there too, because your sister love take people, man, and so you think
No. You know his sister. That's nobody else. I pass and go link it, dad. I do know nothing wrong, man.
you sure I know your helper?
Helper? Him have helper? Not even know say
You look a
helper
black
over
girl over there.
there. No. I didn't know say helper over there. I'm a daddy, I'm go link.
Him not over there, he gone from morning.
Yeah, dad. You know, so when I see him, those times I'm link him, see? In case. You see, so. Don't know something goes up. But yo, you look good, shouldn't so you say, nah,
Hold up! But that's the point where you depend.
Sexy man, yeah, you're a nice girl.
You come-
must
you-
say, I'm a faggot.
You come like some pervert.
Pervert, when I see sexy girl like you and pretty and nice.
You're not in my lead.
Right.
So you
right.
go over there to public. Look here, everything happened at this era, me know about it. I see before, I hear before, okay?
I like a little style, so I like it, but me not do nothing wrong, so me not nothing to think about, but you more quick boy, so you're sexy and nice and you're
I know
more
in a way you
saucy.
in a year.
I like saucy girl, I like saucy. Saucy more.
Don't touch me.
But put fun and look aside, man. I public me go link, man. Me not do nothing wrong.
I must see me now, I must see me. I ask him if he expect you.
Alright. You want to take my number in the meantime? You see you, a public me go link. Remember me tell you, that's it.
Hello.
Oh, good evening. What want, Candy?
Good evening. Public not there.
Oh, public. You want to say gone home? Where do you want?
A long time you gone?
Yeah, a long time in gone. As I say, where do you want?
I didn't something here me did care come give him because my mind tell me say I'm hungry.
You can't left them give me, man.
No, me can't let them give you.
But me can't let them give me.
Because it's not public. And me not there.
Hold on. Me kind of confused. Them not think say public and your sister when they.
You know, that no matter about right now. This are half public. This no matter you and that no matter you. That a for me and public and my sister business. All this concern.
Alright, you seem like you ain't coming, so.
No,
later,
me not
before
give. Me
time.
can't give. Me can't give. Me sorry.
Alright, cool.
Hello?
Hello?
Sherlon, what's up, babe?
Hey, boo, what's going on?
Oh, man, I'm just here chilling. Oh,
My God.
your camera turn on now. Oh, what's up, what's up?
I'm here fighting the cold. Oh, my God, it's freezing outside.
Oh, I can just imagine. Well, it's not so cold. It's okay. Not so hot, I should say, in Jamaica right now. But you know we're going already, you know. That's something we can manage. We know how to deal with it.
I like my summer day, man. It cold. Very depressing. I'm ready to come back home. But, I say something we do to better our life and things. So, you have to make sacrifice and so.
Yeah,
So
I
I'm
see.
going to do that.
So here what going now is like me there, just I try to stay safe. Cause you remember the conversation me talked to you about your sister?
Oh yeah, you did say you have something to tell me, and you were talking about Candy. That man, it really messed me up. It messed my brain up. I couldn't even. I have a headache right after that. I'm thinking because honestly, like I told you, I can swear for her. You sure you weren't drinking or something when you were telling me?
The thing is this, you see, because she apologized and said it was a mistake because it looked like she was drinking or something, I don't know. But what I'm gonna do right now is just try to forget it because I haven't seen her all day. I don't know what's been happening. I'm coming here now. I'm just I have to call her because I tried to call her when I was at the farm, but I never get through. You understand? But I had to see your pretty face because I have to get asleep. I'm want to know say everything alright. You understand? But don't worry about that. Don't worry about that.
No. We can't leave it like that. I have to have a dialogue with her because even if she was drinking, certain lines, you just don't cross. And
True.
I'm gonna have to have a dialogue with her. You did say you guys have a conversation, and she apologized. She was drinking, but.
Yeah. The thing is, babe, I don't want to stress you out. I want you to enjoy.
No. I'm not stressed, but we have to remember say, we don't hide nothing from one another.
True, that's it.
We always talk things.
So you know me already, babe. You know I think already. So you can trust me. You understand?
Look here, me know, but at the same token, each salt out there, the sun hot, and use a man.
You understand?
Me not trust you or anything, but you know what them say, a standing thee have no conscience.
Don't worry yourself, man. You see you, what you do for me, how you treat me, I don't want to lose that. And that is something what I can't compare with nobody. I don't want you feel like nobody can ever get in your, shoes any day, any time. You understand? So me I tell you this straight out, you can count on me, you can trust me, because we share a part, we have a bond. It's not just get up and we're there together. It's much more. You understand? And we know that. So I want you to understand. So me personally, I want to know, you just do your work. Trust me, I'm here for you. I know you're there for me. All right?
I am, but like you said, we understand and all of that, but at the end of the day, you're still a man that sometimes you just say you really want to do it, but you're a man. My God, that you say
Don't worry about it, man. You have my lotion right on my bedside, you know what I mean? So don't worry about it.
Okay, so what's the song on here?
You kind of jerking. Know yourself, man. Don't, hey, as I say, you me a wait on. Alright? I wait on you. There's nobody like you. Is there, you have a twin sister? You have a duplicate? You alone. No, I'm not saying nothing but there's no duplicate, there's no other you. You alone, alright? You hear me say? Know yourself, man. I know that, and that's the thing. I have your back, and you have my back. So we have to keep it right there, so. And that's the way it's gonna stay for a lifetime. Alright? Look how you're sweet on the camera. Look how you look sweet on the camera. Huh? You see, we can't lose that.
You know me no player.
Alright,
Really
alright.
no player because I'm far where I come from.
Exactly.
And we make a pact and that is it. But at the end of the day, like me said, you know, me understand you're a human being, but you know,
Oh, hey.
you can't go this way.
No, exactly.
Still have to talk more, you know, we have to have a
No, man, leave it to me. Leave it to me for right now. I don't want to stress you out. Enjoy your day. I had a rough day as well. And guess what now? I'll call you tomorrow in the morning and we talk. Alright?
So what happens if she come back again tonight?
She can't come back again. Me in my room, lock up. Alright? Don't worry about that.
Then you need to stop. Okay, so you need to stop eating salt.
Don't worry. Listen to me. Honey? Alright. Alright. So I'll talk to you in the morning. Alright? Because I had a long day today. I'm going to just talk to you in the morning. Alright, babe?
Alright, I'm missing you.
I miss you more. Alright?
Yeah.
Mwah. Alright, boo. Later. Bye-bye. Ah, boy, my honey, me love that job. Me? I'm going to cool out.
Call me sister. Maybe she can't send no money come give me father God. Yeah, try yeah, man. Sis, what go on? Right now, I'm stressed out. I door make nice, the breeze a blow. What stress me out? Right now, I'm broke and I don't have no money out of cash for chat me they come from. I just go try my luck. I go buy some number. Hopefully, me win. Because right now, I would mind a sense of money come give me. I don't have no money at all to buy nothing for your niece. Yo, and the baby, I can't bother, you know. Remember say, my baby father nah give me nothing, sis. And you me have to depend upon. See me just have to go. Me just have to come from the cash for me they tell you already. What? What you mean if you not just send money come give me? Remember say that the money the way you send come give me from when? Sherlan, you really expect me to have that the money the same way? Look how things expensive at Jamaica. What you hear about make you a stingy upon me so with money all of a sudden? Now what? What you mean you not hear nothing but you just send it come give me and I expect say that done already? Door tapping nice at me head here. It's like come me and ask my sister for money. Yeah. I know you me to talk to. I did the door. The door I make nice at my head and I hardly can hear you. Remember say I overseas you there, you know. Me there Jamaica, win or blow. In here, where you did that say now? The things ain't expensive. Everything where they out here have tax money. So when you send one money come give me, and I like me be ungrateful, you know, me thank you very much for your help me and they send money come give me every now and again. But sis, the things them expensive out here. You go have to put some more money on where they send come give me and make it get little enough. Yeah, other day me go to supermarket when they send money come give me. If you see the amount of things that me have to put back, me shame, and the line did so long at the cashier, me put back them. Because I couldn't pay for them, the money where I did send come, couldn't buy so much things. Yeah. Of course, me buy something for baby. Me couldn't buy something for myself alone. Remember, say she begin now, she start eat food, a big picnic that there. And a big old tough skin girl with a high school, a little kindergarten baby. And your niece, you know her size, you did there here for a few days and you see, say she eat food. Right now, I run out of stock for her. The more you send her money come give me, because as I tell you before, from morning, I not even want nobody hear me. Sis, you know, long from there, I go out the road, but I go a cash watch to go buy 2 little number, and the amount of sitting when I have to tap and turn up the chat. I want a little dirty foot boy about him come and look me. I don't know who send him to me. He bright? Yeah. I buy the number, of course. Hopefully I win. I think I put a play, man. I did it by the last draft. Yeah. The amount of place I go right now, you know, it's a night. I just come back and say I like that from morning. And if I see a little dirty drunk, I will come stop me too. And he broke arm. Look here. Oi. Hello. Come here. Hold on. Sis, I know you're still up on the line, but may I go talk to somebody? Yeah. One girl when I know for a long time, one guy when give me a message for him. Yeah. One nice girl, man. I think you know that girl there too. Maybe. Alright, later here? Yeah, man. Me call her back on next day. Make sure you send me money for me because I want it. Okay, later. Yeah, thanks.
No, I want me to know I can't look for me, sir. Lord. Today, yeah, the man come here and have nothing, man. Jesus.
I'll lock that door here. Because I don't want the neighbor them hear me. How you feel like? Eh? And who you? Why you come out of my yard so late? Work?
Yeah, I'm going to sleep off, I'm doze off, take a doze off up there.
I don't understand you. Come on answer to me. What you feel like? Me will make you lose your work.
Me say, me work and me go doze off. So that's why me I go home so late.
You work and doze off. And what kind of work you did in there though?
You mean like...
Oi. Me no in no laughing thing, you know. Me no in no laughing thing. Looking at my face. Look on it good. Girl. Me tell you, you know, the other day, you know, say you don't know me, you know. And I hope it's not me and my sister, man, you're there within there, you know.
Nah, Jesus, no bother with that. Me nah go there to do that. I work, me come for work, so
well,
I do.
you see like how you love people business? You already know, and me I go tell you again, because you're a news carrier. Yes, CVM and TVJ. You see public? Is me and my sister, man. You know, if you there with no other girl. And you see any how me go, they go see him. Because me know say when gone out on the road for a long time. Girl, after morning me gone. And me just come back and you there so from morning and still there. No, you're not normally.
I doze off up there. That's why me be up there and I come to Gami yard now. Come so late to Gami yard now. So you have to just understand. Me could never do that, man. Could never do that to go there with your sister, man. Me wouldn't do that.
Oi.
I wouldn't do that. I work. Me come
say
to
it
work.
properly. What you mean you could never do with my sister, man? You could never do with me and my sister, man. You could never dare. Who you? If you come speak to me like that and address me in my yard, so. You out of there, girl. I know the public never up there from morning either before me leave. And you see, anyhow me go up there and see me know say you and him did up there in a bed. And a war between me and him and you me go up there go see say he in there. And you just come out them a time.
Even one man named Bush Cash did come and get come call him. And me a sweep up down there so I tell him say he gone out.
Bush
Bush Cash.
Bush Cash. Wait, hold on. Bush Cash?
Yeah.
That name they sound familiar. I think I meet somebody earlier today, you know, named Bush Cash. He no come over here.
No, sir, no come over.
Okay. Because I don't want no stranger in my yard. I don't know him from nowhere. I first me see him. And this little dirty foot boy, I can't tell me say he better me there with him more than my sister man.
But you know what, Tada? Run away from you. Run away dirty football from you.
You're hypocrite, you know?
Me?
What you mean?
Yeah,
Say?
hypocrite.
Of course.
No, you are telling me to the
No. You come like you not listen what you say. You say, but him no out order. That means he have right to tell me what he say.
No, me I feel like him. I saying out Tada.
Me out order.
Yeah, out Tada. If you tell her that.
You see, any you see him come back, I not remember how he look. Because it's the first me they see him. You see, any you see him come back nowhere, so?
I run him one.
Tell him say camera there.
So, camera there? I never know that. So, which party there? Outside or inside?
What happened? Oh, you sound so suspicious. Why you want to know where the camera there? You live here? The camera these guys, and we not supposed to tell nobody. We not supposed to tell nobody at all which party there. So why you want me to tell you?
Just
Me if I tell you now, that's when time you...
Guard up myself.
Guard up?
Yeah.
Are you bravey?
No,
I see me yard.
Me not mean you carry no money in about force anything, like anything I come off for me for this so me can run in. I just glad the camera there. I just want to say to you.
Where did you say your name again? Underneath you the other day when you start work here. Come like you forgot your name. Let me tell you something. Hello. Me look like one idiot to you, not true?
No.
Me look like a some fool. Hello. Camera there here to pick up anything when anybody do. So if you have no intention of doing anything wrong, no bother with it. Because me and the woman we I work with are friend like this. And me will make you lose your work. Because whole heap of people there road they want to walk. You hear me tell you? So if you know, you clean up our place good and no bother with your foolishness.
Of course, me clean up the lady.
You notice from me I talk to you about me and my sister man, they come smile like you and I'm in a business.
No, sir, me not smell nothing about no man. Nothing at all. Nothing at all.
So, how you smell so?
Smell how?
Like a man they hold you up?
Lord Jesus, me?
So you
no man
know...
now hold me up and me alone up there work for morning. I chew me tired and doze off.
I don't trust you. You don't know the scent when one man, some man smell good and some man not smell good. Or you smell like a public so. Public have one special cologne when me always...
Check again, cause me no go outside the public.
Public have one cologne where one of your friend came from foreign come give and it smell good, expensive, and me know that scent you smell. Unless you go in your room, go spray out things if you know up there.
Me nah go in a public room cause me no belongs to in there.
Unless you and him go in a bed, and I know say you have your man, you know. And you spray up with cologne for when you go home your man, smell your sweet. Like I know sitting you just don't do, but let me tell you something. You see public perfume? It's for me and my sister. Nothing no other girl.
Me no belongs to in the so me nah go in the you know what? Time later now so me a come go home cause me tell you already say I tired till they make me doze off. Me a come now.
No.
Me go me yard.
Where you go?
Me a go me yard. Let me come
Let me see in your bag cause if none of public underpants in your bag.
Look in there cause no in the film. See there. I feel me close them there.
Public underpants in there?
No, I me close them in there.
I want my sister man underpants.
No. What me I do with the man underpants?
Go on where you go.
Alright, ma'am, alright. Gonna me yard.
Don't trust a girl, you know. Any day me catch you with him, I see you will find out. Watch her. Where you tap this on a peep for. Let me go up there go see public and you will see the next day when you come in and you work. Wait, because every day for the week you come in, you will find out. I mean, I'm not joking with you. Damn bright. Any girl sleep with public different from his sister. What will you see for me out? Date before this summer.
You want to say a Bushka shall represent for public report. I don't know say yeah. More all I want to go report over to the channel and subscribe and share. I don't know say for this year be a new movie so more want to prepare. I don't know say more want to sit down in front of the television or on the phone and just watch see the movie them loud and clear in the HD, don't it? Bushka shall represent so. Don't know the best video them I come out with. Big up Richard Brown films. You see me I say big up all the actor them Jada, everybody. Can't remember everybody's name, but big up every actor. Big up Public Report, Real Youth. Big up the whole of foreign, everywhere in go tour. Them man they tour the whole world, you see? So we are doing a movie thing and that's something we love. We not do it for no money, we just love it. I do it, subscribe and share. Please, me I beg you. Please. subscribe, share, notification bell. You don't know a story. Boosh, gosh, gosh, gosh. Bust them head.
Hey guys, you know it's your girl Jada known as Jade, you know. That is place, we at the public. Well, you know, it's the girl Jada known as Jade in the place, guys. We are keeping active and, you know, big up to Paradise Nation, Public Report, Chat, about 10 original, and big up to all of the crew and all of the support guys. Candy Empress, we love you guys. Empress. Guys, we love you all, guys. Thanks for your support and help and stuff, guys. Peace out.
What a hole. Wow. What a hole. Oh, shit. Man, don't say that, boy. Public. Where you going, idiot? You know, you go big up yourself. You don't know Paradise Nation. I represent the Public Report Official. You know, you go. Don't know one thing. We there, so I look out and I watch the scenery. I watch the cloud them change as they go. You see me? I saw some people change, you know, just like how the weather change. I saw some people change. So make sure you're the one where nah change. So like how the mountain in there one place are nah change. Yeah, but you improve. You understand? Big up yourself. Public Report Official, alternate sailor, outside.
Hi guys, you know it's a Candy Empress in the building right now. Long time we don't see me, not sure. A big no. Well, guess what? Big up on yourself. This is coming from Candy Empress to the world. Candy Forever, original. This is original Candy Empress from Richard Brown Film. Well, right now I want to go over to Public Report Official channel. Remember, any movie you want to watch, any content you want to sip on it, you don't need to subscribe, like, share and leave a comment. Big up on yourself. I don't know if Candy Empress always love you. Anyway, you know them I send love from yards straight to broad. Here and now, you don't know say the Richard Brown Films channel is the original channel and that's where we are come from and we still there, we still stay there all know we no left and right that we are going to reach far. Right now, we need enough to go over to Richard Brown's Films. Subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. You don't know say Richard Brown is the original filmmaker from a long time. Yeah man. So anybody out there who want to do acting, you understand me? As long as you know a woman and you can act, get in touch with Richard. You can DM him on Instagram.
You can DM me too, man.
And you can DM Public Report too. You understand what I say straight? Even DM me. You can DM me too on Instagram. Big up on yourself. If you're serious, you understand me? So when you call or DM who the names them I just tell you, whosoever I just tell you about anytime you get in touch with them, you and them we talk about it. Or if you call me, because you see my number on it too, you know, in some places for them, I not even remember where they, but you go and go look for me. Anyone you see me, you know, say so you know, say can't love you no bad. Here and now, this is new year, and you don't know, so we say no so nice and clean movie for you already. I mean, you all enjoy it and you love it, big up on yourself. And I don't know, say no hate no in our heart, be a love we say. Be a love we say to the world. Hear me now. When we say be a love to the world, what me say? Bless up on yourself and you don't know, say can the Empress love. Now guess what, chop backside man. Guess what? Go over to Paradise Nation. I've saw your name? Me always have problem with him channel, you know. Me don't remember what your name, but you don't know all time already. Paradise Nation, go over there, go like, subscribe, leave a comment and share. Big up on yourself. And guess what? Me I leave out one channel. Why you enough? Go. Come right here, so come. Come and see a little. I want a little worm, you know, man. Big up yourself. Okay, we don't know who this already. A troublemaker. Always come X up herself. All when me not see her, she happy. You know what start. She enough one now. Move. Here right now. Big up on yourself. And I don't know say. Public Report Official channel needs your views, need your like, your share, your comment, also subscribe. So big up on yourself because we have enough, plenty new movie come out for now. Because I don't know, so we are the actress and the actor in the place, Jamaican actress from to Broadway, I send the thing straight. I love you guys, I'm out. Mwah.
Yeah, man, thanks for checking in, thanks for supporting, thanks for liking, thanks for sharing, thanks for commenting, thanks for being here, thanks for being a part of the family, thanks for being a part of my journey. This is very special to me because it's something I love, I enjoy to do it. I'm going to check out Sister-in-Law Part 2, and I hope you enjoy it. Because for you, just let me say enjoy it, you know what I mean? So bless upon yourself. Do the right thing, man. Continuously like, share, support the whole movement, Richard Brown Films, you know what I mean, Public Report, Paradise Nation, Candy Empress, you know what I mean, the whole team. One dream, one team. Big up on yourself, and thanks to everybody who has been supporting us, whether by sending $5, $2, $3, $10, whatever the case may be. I appreciate you, you know what I mean, and thanks again. Respect our manners again. Share it. Do the thing. I'm out of words right now because I'm emotional. I know I'm bad on this thing, you know what I mean? So bless upon yourself, thanks again. And only more content coming your way. Alright, because we're there at work right now. You know, we just pause a while ago just to post this for Uno, alright? So bless upon yourself, enjoy it, alright? Thank you. Oh!
You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
Hey boo, what on?
Where you going?
Why we there, you know? But may I tell you, it rough man, it rough.
Imagine this.
See that snow, I walk. I say, I forgot did we put on the jacket with the hood and the snow I come down. It cool, you can't feel me toe, me hand, me nose, everything. And I tell you, say brother, me soul grieve man for here what quite candy. Candy I go on with. Look at the snow I come down and everything, and you know, boy, me a pre say me not got turn out. Me not got turn over here. Me a come out, man, because me can't over here in this condition here. I try to make life away. And candy out there in the heat, I carry on. So, as a matter of fact, you know what? And me way, one Walmart, depend the way, me I go stop and get one bucket, one of them igloo thing, and pack it out some of the snow here, and send come give, making put it in a bathtub, making sit down in it because it's too hot.
baby, you give me ice and fire. leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up.
Can't believe the public not call me phone. Why public not call me? So if you're not calling me, you can't call me. When you're calling me, now answer phone. How do you feel say me no idiot? They calling me with me. Me if you call him and he not call me. And when me call him, me little phone, hey. How much time me I give boy me phone for free? And him a go on like he no want it. Hold on there. I never know say I have man when woman a give them front for free, them no want it. I wonder if I buy want it for buy. You know, say me I go try. Me I go sell him some front. Maybe we take it. Me I go sell him some front cause if me I give him for free and him no want it, that mean I buy want it for buy. Damn fool. No much man wish then get some free front, you want front for buy. Cause what could have cause that? You don't see man I refuse front. Father God, come in at this. Come intervene. This man is an idiot. You see my sister? I'm not even call she. John on star. Right now, I'm stressed out. Can you imagine? 2 hours alone in my house and in that dead. If he take a little front of me, I give him for free. Everything good. And I say nothing. I can't believe the public no want me front. Right now I'm stressed out. I wonder if you might hear me. Public seriously no want me front. They say nothing try, nothing done, nothing try. You have to try and don't make it done. So I go ask him again. And if he don't want it for free, me I'll sell him it. He have to take it. You see all my sister when named Sherlan? She lucky, you know. She lucky she find them the good man, the Father God. I don't know she lucky so. This man, I can't go on like I say a Sherlan alone in love and he will never ever chat to no more woman again. I can't take that boy, you know. Them boy I figure grown, go dig some hole and put some cane and some yam and sit in. But woman they run them and they don't want no front. I figure walking and son man. Half your answer phone. I say that nah answer phone. I know me go do get another SIM card for you or block me number. Watch me here. Stay they don't answer. You dirty public, you. That's a great night fling away phone. Because what people have phone for Jesus? What people have phone for? If we call each other and when me call him, he should answer. Me is him second one. Right. My sister first one chew him and him the first before me. But I did 2 hours man and me nah joke. Yes, me I came my court. Right now in your public. In your public, no chat to me. Make dash to everything in there. Everything. about him one woman alone. Me mash up the place if public not there with me. Oh.
Where you go?
Girl, right now, me stress out, me not tell no lie. Maybe me I'll end up going river go see if me can cool down my front cause me in a heat. Feel like a dirty rasta boy. Me can't bother with him, you know. He might go on like he don't want it for free. So when he see me later, me go ask him if he wants something to buy. Me can't
Me have
manage
something to tell you.
What? I hope I don't mix up your car, come and tell me, you know, me not laugh.
Listen, I did your road a while ago, and I hear the Rasta man
Pop
talk.
Tory give me girl.
Saying love you and he need you. Hey, if I ever hear the story when me hear the man attack, or I go buy you this and I go buy you that, for true the Rasta man.
Me don't believe you too, like.
For real, me should have video it. Him saying love you.
Who you attack? The same man when me attack?
Yeah.
A lie. What him say?
Him saying love this browning. You know? And him a go buy roses and stuff.
So me go and do we and then knock on them sitting them me all sleep. Me drop asleep kin over.
Me no
And he not even let me in him a go on like so I show off him a show off. So wait the hold on them me girl. I go on him a go on like I say no want me. So what that him a do? Oh, me know them kind of man there then stay. They want you and then go on like them no need you. And at the same time them are dead for you. Me know say that little dirty boy they did want me, you know. Yeah man, me know say they did want me. Me have to book him later. Or you see in the night, me come knock in door. I could have daylight, midnight, me no business. He have to do it with me before my sister come back.
So you no come back over there yet?
He no up there. You know, see I go now because I'm frustrated and you know in my house and I'm one in there.
He may be super. Me hear him up the road attack.
Right now, I change now. I wonder if I
So
told
you're
you
a
that.
Rasta, you want a Rasta man.
So I'm about that.
Two Rasta can mix.
You see the Empress here? I am on deal with the ital straight. Rasta Queen.
Rasta Queen, Rasta King.
Let me tell you something. You see, any relationship public in and me no in it is no relationship. Public have to mix up in Isla in my young king. You understand? Yeah.
Wait! You're young king.
Bust it, me girl. Wait, me not. Me no joking. I laugh off of me.
You're young.
Me young king. Yeah. What about that?
Yeah,
I me tell you if you not have young king, I put a 1 million ear roll. You talk about that. Listen to me, girl. You see it, I know me not believe you. You chat about your ear rasta man, I chat about them like me and one if I sit now. No, you laugh like a liar did I tell. A liar tell, girl?
No, you're young king.
I'm a young king. You know what?
Why?
Me just take this stone one little joke right now, but you not even know where the inners of that man there. Public are the done in a Fimi Island. You understand? Yeah. Any girl, let me tell you something. Everybody don't know say my sister there with public already, you know. And everybody don't know say it's my man.
So you want your sister, man?
Me and him there. Me and him there.
You're corrupt.
How corrupt?
I'm corrupt too, because I am talk about you.
Him corrupt. Oi, let me tell you something. You see when they chat about corrupt, talk about me. Say me corrupt, not chat about public corrupt. Because my man that don't do it, don't do it, don't do it. You're bright, and this half of my man about public corrupt. You're idiot, girl, me anybody for him. Public a few way. Me and my sister, who vex.
Yo, mama. Where are they? Yeah. Yo, you know someone want a split. Good ganja and one minute to go on. You see it? Take our money. See?
Yeah, man.
Bless you. There your money.
You can't get served. Boy, how would this, sir?
Still, where are they?
And your papa will it off.
Yeah, man. So, yeah, we are there, so you a shop you come on. What go on?
Yeah, man, shop me there, come. Because yo, enough little things are going still, you know, but now make the tough one with them. You know?
Ja.
So what going on you do?
Well, I'm there, I'm going easy. I just come up here, come get a one drink and all that vibes. You know what I say?
See.
Real one.
So I'm going to hold it off. So where you going now?
Well, I'm going in the studio and I don't go a little one. You see me? Yeah, I'm
You know, so me here, say, come sit me on my yard, but never them around there.
yeah, cause I'm reach for the ends, I say, boy, I see one little black girl. You know me, I say,
So hold on. Don't tell me, say you go out things, too.
I mean, I'm going to think, then you know, say, anyway, we see, we're going to see girl, them and them sexy and things, we have to make them good. You see me, I say, yeah, man, but yeah, man, beat it, man.
Yeah?
Well, but.
Up at top. Oh, yeah, me, a nice place, a nice girl still, but.
Yeah, man.
But she is strap up, you know, because you don't know anything.
Yeah, because you don't know the thing that we have to protect yourself. You know? Yeah, man. But you're good, though.
So far, brother.
Cool, no, man, me there, man.
The same thing I'm going to try when I want to go drink in that place, huh? You know what I mean?
I treat in them, they go. Somebody they look like public, you know, man.
But yo, you know what I say? Your sister-in-law walk right there and you're coming up, so don't bother look around. You see me?
Sister-in-law?
Yeah.
You see one me tell you?
Alright, you know that shop you're head for right now as we speak. So if you know a good fear, you know a good.
Alright, you are going. Yo, Angle Bank, here? You see how to get bump for night.
No, sir. No other man not supposed to look like public. Maybe I him. I'm not too sure still. Why this a boy I really make me chat to myself like me them mad. I wonder if I him. Wow, that's sweet me so. Take off this money and find him today. How are you going?
Where did it?
How are there, sir? I just see somebody turn up here from way down there, so. And he look like a public. A public and you did there, sir?
Oh, no, my nigga man when he Richard, bro, and I run down there, so man. He's in left in the fire, is it?
One of you?
No, I'm bridging here, Richard.
You're bridging here, Richard?
Yeah, man.
Are you and him there, sir?
He run down there, so man.
I understand.
I'm going over in the yard, man. He say I'm going to look on him fat.
Richard did the right here, so little while?
Yeah, man.
Man, you kill me dead a public, you know?
No.
Come here and tell us that the body look good like a public.
Jaja.
Me know, my not tricky, me know public from afar. Me can stand distance and make him out. Man, tell me say a lie, you tell me. Me give you 10 grand right now if you tell me say a public. Me just want to see
Give me yourself. You say you're sexy and nice and you more. Me don't want no 10 grand. Give me yourself. You Brownie, you see you love you in a youth.
You want myself?
Pretty and
you want
sexy
me?
And
this a body here you want?
Oh, you mean? You
so
say a body
public no deserve this a body here? Or me no deserve public?
You're your sister, man. So you're not hearing a Brownie. Me don't talk about this already, you know.
You know, me not like with no man. You see when uno man, when you can't get a woman, uno this and uno that and uno cast this and uno cast. Listen to me, man. Nobody come put nothing for me and public right here so now. You see if me did want you my youth now that a long time.
Look for me. Out of me and public, who should look better?
No, me not discriminate.
Alright. I mean, you feel there with.
You look nice, but who my heart goes for, my heart goes to public. Him look nice, you look nice. So me not go say you no look good. But you can get another girl. Why you want me? Alright, why you want me?
Your heart goes for your sister, man.
No, listen. Man.
I hope she know where I'm going soon.
She not go find out.
Okay.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. Yeah, babe. Me know. Me don't tell you this. Me gonna leave out early because today was such a rough day. Me leave out early, come on and pick you up at the airport as soon as you reach. So when you walk out the terminal, you come see me because I know how you stay there with time. I know you don't want to wait for nobody. Yeah, man, the driver come pick me up right now if he come pick you up. Alright? So I come straight to you. If I tell you what I go on today, you wouldn't believe me to baseball. You know, so I go a shop and walk off and look like your sister,
I do some business in town and thing. But I just dodge her still, because I don't want she spot no risks, because I don't want she feel like, she can ask no question and thing. Alright? I come at the airport for you right now, babe. Nobody no know nothing. Alright? I can't wait to see you. Alright? We talk, man. Alright, love you, babe. Cool.
B, where you there?
In that bathroom.
Oh,
There come.
all right.
Baby, you give me midnight.
You wake up and see me?
Yeah, me wonder.
Oh my God.
What happened?
You know, so me just get up early. I don't think you really believe me when I say Candy kind of, just hold me. When you see her in the act, so hear more, hear what I do. See, and more you understand, say, me don't have no crazy plans for, like, say, a benefit of mine, right? I go carry her come to the hotel and make you see her for yourself. See? I'm happy to say it there, but I just don't want you to feel, say, like you can't trust me. When you see her in the act, when you hear her tone of voice, you understand me I say? I'm only for you. I'm yours. Nothing can change that. You understand me I say? You know me happy to say it there, but even though you cut the work program short, I hope say you can actually, find a way to go back somehow, because we still have to think about the future and the betterment of us. You understand? You can trust me. And that moment. You with me upon that?
Yeah, man, me tell you, say me ride or die, And like me say, how far away I come from, and it now go down just so easy. So, yeah, man.
Alright, I love how that sound. Alright, so here I'm gonna do now. I get ready now. I go for her and things. So what more me and right now is go and move it back then. Because I don't want you to see the back then.
Alright.
Yeah? So come in.
Alright.
Alright, so come move them two back. So take time with this.
Alright.
Take time back. We put them somewhere. She can't see because she know your back them,
You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.
I know you have to feel me present. You have to feel me present right now here because I know you like me and you hide it. You don't want it to be free, so I'm going to sell it. Yeah, you look like a buyer want it to buy, so buy it. I'm going to give it to you. I can't take it out more public.
See now, sir.
You know you need to pull me down and then you stop and not stop.
Alright, listen up. Are you on buyer? How much?
How much?
You know, I think
Just sign one check, give me any more $55,000. That's not a little bit of money that.
Alright, so make that deal. See? And the deal we're gonna make is that we're gonna go to hotel. Yeah?
Hotel?
Hotel, yeah, we're gonna go. We don't want to do it here, so. Here's something, me and my
Hotel, we start with H or a O?
Hotel.
Hotel.
Big place.
Or a motel, which one?
Hotel, yeah.
Oh, a H is start with?
H.
Oh,
Right?
I think why?
So, you up to it, you up here at the hotel, when you enjoy yourself, when you pack something nice. Just pack up some clothes. Maybe pack up some clothes where you can spend maybe a week, or,
Single man?
Yeah, man, that one.
A hotel you can go for you?
Hotel me I carry when you enjoy yourself. It's if me go, alright. You see, the thing is, me can't do it here, so. Because, if me have to one place, you can't do it like same day.
And the help going on to watch the chat.
Exactly. I'm the one who nice. And people say, but wait.
Maybe I'm doing it nice.
I'm not sure stuff to say about these things.
So what you do? Pack your stuff them, pack some nice stuff, man. Pack, as I said, stuff what you have maintained for your week, right? And then we go out.
So all inclusive?
All inclusive, everything inclusive.
Alright.
Everything there.
Everything.
Cake, ice cream, chicken, rice and peas, everything in life. Alright? So get ready, put on some clothes and we go. We're ready, man, we're there.
I like that.
I'm going to tell you that.
I wonder if I got hotel fish, you come along get ready and then we go to hotel. But you can't check me?
You can't check. Remember saying, alright, last night, you know, so hotel me last night. Yeah, hotel last, you know, I still come here last night. You sleep over last night.
So they call me, they call the phone. A hotel there?
Yes, hotel me.
Somewhere in the hotel, and a friend in my party and they couldn't carry me.
Don't worry about it. So when I tell you, now, just get ready. Come on, this should be a nice experience for the both of us. Yeah?
We have a light.
We will love it.
Yes, we have a love it picture.
We'll smile straight.
I first remember our all-inclusive hotel. You know what I mean?
No, who got hotel? We not nothing yourself. Nothing at all. We got hotel, we book you, we go, you know what I mean? We got a room. We got a room.
So you must bring condom.
What about condom?
All-inclusive, what about food today?
What about food? Don't get ready, man. Come with
So
us.
ready right now.
Get ready and let's go. Coming on, the sun set, catch wave. Right, yes,
So come give me a photo.
Alright, I'll give you a photo.
What the hell is that more? Jesus Christ. Alright.
See you later. Later, man.
Alright, you go down to it. So when I can't go on, so you act like I can't touch you. I touch you in an elevator, you push ease off me and after you. Or if you carry me come to hotel and then make people them look like I don't feel me man. I don't understand you. They look at me like look like I don't fear man. You can't carry me a hotel my youth and then I go like you know want me to touch you. Where you carry me up your fuck?
Listen. You have to just relax first.
And look on the big bag of clothes you make me carry. When we left for how long we are going to stay up here? 1 week?
Don't worry about the bag of clothes and how long you stay. Just come on. I got room.
Or when we left foreign, so we got foreign. We got foreign when we left foreign hotel. We got foreign?
You just calm down, man.
Alright.
Easy. I promise you already say we are at a hotel. I'm going to make you have the time of your life.
You can't calm down.
Everything there, man.
So sell me.
One whole pack.
You did that give for free and you want to sell me. I'm going to sell you now.
Sell me, yeah, man. Cash. See room. Come on.
Wow. No, sir. So you look good? How much money you pay for this? Jesus, please. Watch ya. God. Master, you never want it for free. Public, you ready for it now? Say now make you bait or nothing. I said it will want you never tell me. Jesus and peace. So I waitress carrying them liquor there in here. Eh?
Everything there for you.
Everything?
Everything there.
So take off your clothes. Take off your clothes now. Take off your clothes.
Check that. Go have a drink first. Remember 9:23.
Sure.
Let's celebrate.
You know, long want this my youth and now we have to go drink first.
Just take a look.
Then me go drunk and drop asleep and we no bother do it.
You don't like drink?
Me want to do it first before me go drink.
Let's go. Just.
Shabba side, I want hot this, you know?
Yeah, just for you.
Yes. Yes.
Put
Hold on. Just go drink, son. Drink, son.
I drunk you want drunk,
No,
you
no.
no bother do it.
You want? Alright, you want
Glad to my sister no there, so wouldn't get this a chance. I sweet. What me keep? More somebody.
You want?
No, anything, we just
Drink
want
that beer,
drink.
man. I don't have no fear.
Beer.
Yeah, man. Come to say, you know?
Public me no come down so you know.
What do you mean?
Me no come down so me must say me want it now.
Come calm down, we have the whole night. I want you.
So we a give beer. No, public me no come down somewhere something stronger than that. We have to do it whole night tonight. Me a mash up the place, me and you. Yes, come now take off your clothes,
I take off my clothes.
Come here, can I take off your clothes? Look all you carry condom. You no bring no condom.
Me carry condom.
Yeah.
We are talking.
Condom, so no do we have.
Condom in the room. Look over there. See condom.
Over way.
See condom, sir.
Candy, I worry this. I walk on here, sir. Walk on here, sir, Candy. Candy, no. No. What happened? No. You stammer? All these years, me know you never stammer. You stammer now. What, Candy? Where do ya? Walk on here, sir, Candy.
What you do? Oh, you come and not tell me.
You ask me what me I do, yeah? Candy, no. Lord Jesus. Take over your Jerry. Candy. Wait, no, Candy, where you do, yeah? Just what?
May I try to explain?
Explain what, Candy? Candy, may I tell you, say, you lucky, say, the Spirit of God is in me now, Candy. Because right now, you don't know what I run through my head. Where you do ya, Candy? Candy, where you do ya? Where, public? Where am I do ya?
May I celebrate because you see your sister is so good to you. Your sister is good to you.
So, Candy, after all what me do for you and my niece, me go in the cool. Me work Candy the other day me over there. Me say it cool. You tell me say Leila me niece want money for food and something and Candy. Me send you the last what me have. And me walk in the snow, Candy. Me couldn't feel me hand them hypothermia, me shoes, everything. And me send the last come give you and walk Candy. And I saw you pay me. Watch out. Me not a violent person, you know, but right now me I tell you, sis what? Hold on for what? Wait, me not see no call ya. Explain what?
Just one something.
What? Just one something. So all along you call me Daisy the cow, right? When you feel say you milk me.
No.
So you know what? It's alright. Shut up. You don't have no authority for talk. Shut up. You're my big sister. The respect gone out the window. Shut up. Me a talk now. Me in charge now. So here what I go on now. Me not go promote violence because you don't know what running in my head. Me imagine say Candy. Me left here to go build life and make sacrifice my body and everything. In the cool. Look here, not start with me. Me have lot much respect, but right now, Candy, and me left here and go sacrifice the other day. You call me and say Leila need food, Leila hungry, Candy. And me send you the last and me end up a walking at the cold, me dress, me not even dress properly. Me end up catch cold, me can't feel me finger. No. Shut up, me say!
So you better come out and play for the
Girl, look here.
Sorry.
You know some me not violent.
In
Shut me, me not tell you.
you
You see them, they lax there?
Sorry.
Me not promote violence. But trust me, you have no idea.
Just make sure come on.
No. As a matter of fact, you know what? This is between me and she. You go drink your beer and sit down over there. Me I go give him the treatment. Here I go on, you know. Yeah, my sister, me can't change it because we are blood. You hear me I say? But guess what now? We done. Me say shut up, me I talk. Shut up! Look here, me I tell you something, me no promote violence, you know.
Follow him. Now follow
Him
who?
a wicked,
Alright,
like when you not there and he come on me door
But
and
Candy, what you do ya in a hotel, Candy? Even if he come and knock.
Me tell him some name they come up here and force me to come and pack all
Oh,
back with me.
alright, hold on a second, Candy.
Me pop back with you.
B, me amor. It's alright. B, Candy, let me turn up a second there. Turn up. Me see you have ankle bracelet on, but me no see no shackle. And me no see no chain. So how him carry you up here? Him chain you up? How you get up here, Candy?
He tell me say.
Him tell you say what?
He me for me front and he carry me go to one hotel.
And Candy, my man tell you say, him a go pay your fee, your front, and him a go carry you to a hotel. And me and your sister, me make sacrifice for you and my niece.
That burn me, you know. That burn me.
Go drink. Go
Because
have
baby have a heart,
We
baby.
alright. We discuss.
Public you know about that chat.
Shut up, Mr. T, shut up.
I'm a forcing.
Shut up. You see, you test me now, and me tell you say me not promote violence, but me up to ya so. No, wait, him a go come out. But get here what I got now. You see me niece? Me a go court and me a go take her from you. Because I'm me a support her all along and send everything. And this are the payment where you give me. So here what? You're done. Me and you know nothing else. Me a take my knees, so lift up. No call me a block you, no try to contact me. This are the payment when me get. After me go, I sacrifice me give me last walk in a cool, catch up pneumonia and all that shit, and me couldn't even go to hospital. And I saw you go treat me, man. Man, just lift up. Lift up.
She violent enough to care for me.
Careful of who?
Go on,
Me
come
tell
on,
you, say me not violent somebody, but just lift up, man. Lift up. Hasta la vista.
Pushkash.
Hold up.
Browning.
What is?
Browning.
God no, youth. How are you? How are you? Can't believe me see you right as I know. I swear.
You know, ask me how me find you.
I wonder how you find me.
Ask past you can't last. Me ask everybody on the road come straight down. Me couldn't miss. Everybody know you. I see you did popular.
So yo.
You're famous youth,
so
man.
what happened?
You know what I'm saying? Boy, I want kind of sad story. But me not really in a mood to talk about it still. Anyway, I know a long time you look me, you know, you look like you're real youth, you know.
I mean, man.
Come like you're a real man, you know.
Yeah, real weird, yo.
And I not tell no lie. You see you did that talk to me about, say, you better me deal with you
Yeah.
than deal with my sister, man.
Judge.
I not tell no lie. I kind of look into it. You know, say I dream see you do. That's why I come down here this. And that's why I come down here now, you know.
Why I can't be here? I want to dream, man.
Me a dream see you talk to me.
Really a dream?
Just listen to me, man. Just listen to me. Me in my sleep. I mean, the dream say you talk to me and I tell me, say, me and you for there.
Browning, right now, it surprised me. Come like a the big surprise of the day. But guess what going on, man?
But anyway, I carry down some clothes to come stay with you.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, man, call me.
Hold
Make up my mind to come there with you now, you know. Yeah.
Really though,
Yeah,
Browning?
man. You go be my man, cause it look like things not gonna really work out the way how me feel say that work out. So me just look into what you say and plus me go dream see again and retell me back in my dream, rewind and
You see a ball
rewind.
field, me gonna kick some ball and you come on me and tell you say come like me man bother playing the ball. But you hear me I say. Long
Because
time
me
me a bleach but you know
yo,
Listen.
Come here, bleach for you, bro. And then me a bleach for you. And watch you now. They
Anyway.
say the stone that the builder refused, don't? Anyway,
you know, son, I really refuse me, they refuse it still. Me just, me ain't too new, you understand?
my time now, you know. Come
Your
in,
time.
New game, new ball game.
Me
around.
care,
See it there?
be at panty in the bag, you know. Hold this, because I know you're going to like them sexy drives there, you know.
Alright, baby. Come in, man.
Yeah, man.
Yo. Come in, my baby.
Alright. So me have to take off my shoes? Me have to take off my shoes?
Nah, man, I feel a place, man.
Alright.
Come
So
in,
me
baby.
I go there, now.
Cool, nah, man. John,
Alright.
bro. Need the sexy body.
Me no bother want public again.
Yo, you know,
Me no bother want public. Me no bother want public.
Girl, nah, smell
Me no
nice
stop
and-
thinking about it, you know. God know me here for the long
Yeah, I
time.
believe it, yo.
Public are idiot. Me think the public are
Yo.
way no good somebody. What sure?
Judge,
And I know me and them have still, you know.
Mm.
Me just feel like I say, you know, bother continue what me when they go on with. You understand?
Show me love, you know, yo.
Me know say you love me, that's why me come.
Yeah, man, make yourself at home, man.
Yeah, so when public go home now, in Ghana work, in time go man, and see me them, I wonder where me there. Kinda know where me there. Boy.
Glad to see you, though.
I don't know, and then my sister again, me no want me and my sister to have nothing.
Alright.
Yeah.
Then I right
I'm
thing,
go hope
man,
you not
so
tell
me
me
that long
sister.
time, me I tell her that. So
Yeah,
say
but me just a look into where you listen and me no know. Me no know, something did wrong with me, you understand? Me no know, but I'm here to do it still.
Cool, nah, man.
Yeah,
Cool,
man.
nah, man.
Alright,
Wow.
so where bedroom there?
Around there, so, you know.
Alright.
Judge.
You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight.
Okay.
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby.
I bet you did for me. We all laugh for it. Wow. No, sir. I saw you not look good. Sir, you never go like you never love me. I treat people them live side away, not sure we never. You know, say a long thing you did want it. You never want it for free. No, you go stay. Boy, wait there. Once you put it back. Why? So you not look good? How much money you pay for this? Jesus, please. Watch ya. Lord God. Master, you never want it for free. So pay did want pay me for it long time. Come in at this, boy. Come in at this.
Bring your back out, Kenny. Go and do the other public. Okay. You are ready. Alright, action.
So press this. Ready now?
Don't press it. I look at your car, you see my red face. My red button record.
Oh, yeah.
Same.
You sound like dog. It's son dog.
Yo, ready, action. You look more somewhere, so just put you in there.
Yeah, me just a see one slightly. Yeah, I guess you need to come back. You did the behind the board.
Yeah.